Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Steam on Linux Mint step by step. Whether you're switching from Windows or you just want to get gaming on Linux, this guide will get you up and running in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First, update your system. It is always a good idea to update the system before installing any application. Next, go to the official Steam website and download Steam. Just click on Install Steam and it will automatically detect your OS and you will download a deb file. Now let us install the deb package. And just like that, Steam is installed. The first time Steam runs, it will automatically download additional updates and runtime components. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Let it finish. This part is normal. From this point, it will look like nothing is happening, but it is busy in the background downloading files. As you can see, it is still running in the background. And there you go. It is now fully installed. You'll now be prompted to either log in or create a new Steam account. If you already have an account, sign in as usual. If not, you can create one directly from the Steam client. All right, that's how you install Steam on Linux Mint and unlock the full gaming experience. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.